Good morning. Good morning. Let's see what we got. Blood. We have blood. All right. Wait for a couple more people to trickle in. It's going right for the golden pocket. What's going on, Andrew? You're the best, man. Always here. You and Cage. Yeah, shop on there too. This isn't pretty. This is not pretty. 818, 720. Ay. Right back to buy here, must hold. Clean these up. I saw you post something in the SPX chat. What? Just briefly tell me what does it say? We added jobs. Is that right? After they told us to expect that we were going to lose jobs. Is that right? Mixed unemployment went from 3.9 to 4, but payroll went up. I don't understand that at all. Payroll went up. Mixed unemployment went from 3 to... I don't get it. That's weird. It's very weird. Guess everybody's asleep. Well, it's just me and you, bud. Oops. All right. I can play it back. I won't be on here long. So it looks like golden pocket, right? Payrolls jumped to 467 as unemployment rose to 4. Yeah, I never understood any of that stuff. I always rely on you guys to explain it. All right, let's look at SPX. Should have held those XSP contracts, those 444s. Those would have been in the money. Let me see, 444 dropped the lot. Yeah, those have been in the money. Let's see what they would have been worth. I think I end up selling at 71%, something like that. It's in the video, whatever the math is. Sometimes I look, sometimes I don't. So if you watched the last video, I played XSP for the first time yesterday. Took 2 positions. I took way out of the money, 438. Is that right? 438? Yeah, 438 put. And I also played 444 puts. It's a 10-to-1 split derivative, I guess, of SPX. And they move just like SPX. Very quick on short moves. this is sitting at the 0.5. From which way? Oh, from the other way. Okay. Let me see. So I still have it drawn from the rejection of the golden pocket. You probably drew it here? No, because that blew past there. Where'd you pull from, Andrew? 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Oh, on this. Oh. You said 0.65. I gotta wear my glasses. You're right. It is sitting right there. Wicked off of it. Also wicked off of my buy here must hold line. So that's interesting too. Do we get a bounce? Is this a fake out? Let's see what happened here with Apple. Apple is sitting just at the 0.236. I don't have a fib on Tesla, at least not on the daily. Let's drop to the hourly. See what that looks like. Yeah, I've got nothing. Maybe just levels. Tiny gap on the hourly. 860. 861. Very small gap. Not sure that actually gets filled. Yeah, I don't see anything here on Tesla. That's weird. It's really funky. Let's look at Nvidia. Boy, Nvidia looked like it was ready for 275 this week, didn't it? Now it's lost the 80 MA on the daily. Lost it on the hourly. Let's see. Is it smart to draw an hourly fib? Maybe. We'll keep that there for now. I don't really trust it, but we'll keep it there. I think if Amazon gets back down to, I mean, it's given a lot of this move back, right? If it gets back down to 3,000, I don't know if the market will like that. I don't know. That's weird. This is also an ugly pattern, whatever this is. It's not a pattern, it's just an ugly structure. You know, I don't. You know, where do you draw a fib from? Where do you pull? Yes, that could be one. Yeah. What's going on, man? Have at it. Yeah, man, I miss being here. It's fun getting away for a little bit. Facebook's in trouble. Remember I said it can't lose 235 yesterday? Well, it's lost it. Closed right above 235 yesterday. I think it went down to 235 to the penny before being bought back up and closing, 237 looks like. But it's just fighting with this, this zone right here. But I'm telling you, after this, it's not anything until 200, 205, 207. I don't know if I'm trading live. I don't know if we get much volatility today. This pre-market action is not. Um, it's not anything we're used to. Amazon was up 20% at one point, was it? And that's been chopped in half. I guess jobs kind of dampened that. So I don't know if there's a trade within the like first 30 minutes, maybe, but we'll see. You know me, I'm not going to force anything. So, Facebook. Did Facebook shop? Shop is very ugly. Man, what's after this? 780, 785, and then 690, 700. I'm interested in NQ though, because this looks like, let me just delete this line here. This 0.65 can very well do something like this all day and just melt up. It really just depends. It depends on what NQ does. SPX may be flat today. And yeah, that is a great description or explanation of it. More jobs equals better economy equals more hikes. So that's exactly how it was explained to me. Yeah. And we got SPX moving now. Okay, so things are moving. 15 minutes before open. What are you guys watching? Let me look at AMD. On the daily, of course. Delete this fib here. No man's land. It's just opening up where it closed yesterday, pretty much. It's above the 80 EMA, but nothing about this is bullish or pretty. That candle nor this candle looks good. Right into resistance. Nice earnings reaction. People came, took their profit, skated on to the next one. Let's see. Well, let's look at Google. Google did nothing either, right? Or I won't say nothing. 5% is nothing, but it's not nothing. Hold on. This is just as ugly. Same thing, opening up right where it closed yesterday. My man Hubs, what's going on, brother? Good morning. Are you in the gym? Let's see. QQQ 15-minute time frame. Let's look. I just saw somebody talk about it in the on the trading floor. Let's see what happened. Yeesh. Oh, I don't have. What do I have? Extended hours? What do I need to turn on? Extended hours. There it is. That's ugly. I gotta change that. Let's see. Oh, that's a big push. Look at that from three. It's a $3 move in 30 minutes. Good Lord. What's the 5-minute look like? Who the hell pushed the button? Back rack lunges 185, snatch complete. My goodness. Biceps so wrecked. Right, man, it's all about health, man. It's beautiful. I can't wait to go. Well, we got a nice pump and a bounce off the 0.65, as Andrew mentioned earlier. And now we just have to see the open. Same on SPX. Kind of decent bounce. It's Friday, so let's hope it's not fake. The psychological warfare that the market, plays is insane. That's why we all have trust issues, right? But you gotta trade the trend. Where's Amazon? 31.10. So yeah, everything got a nice pump. So I don't higher highlight impulsive move began here. Yeah, I guess this is the right place to pull from. So we're just looking for it to blast through resistance, regardless of if this fib is pulled at the right place or not. It is resistance. Just look left, as I always say. We have more than enough proof that this was support at one point, turned into resistance. Cool. Thank you, Andrew. So we have to see it blast through 3150. Got to get through 3150. Resistance sold off very harshly. Last time I got here, 500 points, 480, 15%. That is brutal. That can't happen again. So we open up right into resistance. We want to see volume come in. We want to see, and yesterday may have been a climax. Let's see. Let's see that volume. Yeah. So this looks like a volume climax bar on the daily. And here we are. So we're going to open up right around 31.30. Would love to see a nice push and a close above. Jeez, come on, man. Would love to see a nice close above resistance going into next week. But first thing first, let's get through today. In 10 minutes. What are you guys watching? Anybody else in the chat watching anything? I think the game plan is pretty simple. Watch the reaction the first few minutes. Oh, that's a big bounce. This thing was hanging around 44.40. Popped 30 very fast. What's this hourly look like? Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's clean that up. Is Apple dead? Nah, we know Apple moves to the beat of its own drum. It doesn't move when everything else moves. I'll look at Apple in 2 seconds, but this looks. I don't know if I believe this pump yet, because it came just 10 points before kind of back testing. Hold on, let me see. No, I guess it did back test. No, it did. I drew it wrong. 2 touches there, 1 and 2. Wow, what a perfect retest. You see that? Touch there. Touch there. Yeah, that's wow. Well, yeah. I mean, from a technical standpoint, it tested, it back tested and bounced. Double bottom here on the hourly. Would love to see 13 more points above the ADMA, and the algos will be on. What news was that, Mario? I haven't seen anything yet. I haven't looked. Have at it. Apple's just consolidating after this run. That's all it's doing. Let me pull from here. Yeah. Apple's just chilling. Very healthy consolidation. Look at the move from 162 to 175 over, 4 days. What began on Monday? Or last Friday, I guess. Last Friday. That's right. Let's see. Patent case. Just won a $1 billion lawsuit. Interesting. Semiconductors. I think they have to run to. I think chips have to run for tech to go. Does that make sense? AMD, Nvidia. What are some of the other ones? ASML. Give me some more names. Oh, let's look at Ford. I saw Migs talking about F. Let me turn this off, though. I hate extended hours. I don't hate them. But let me see. All right, F. Let's look at it on the daily. Ooh, that's an ugly candle. Inverted hammer. Where will it open? Oh my God. What happened to Ford? Someone get Migs on the line. Well, let's talk through it. It lost the ADMA. Tried to get saved. Did not get saved. And boy, did it work its way lower. Down 7%. What happened? Yeah, TSM. That was the other one I was looking for, was TSM. TSM. There's another one in that class. What is it? Hubs. So it's lost the 8. It's not pretty. You know what I say about the ADMA. Because TSM, they have a huge market cap, don't they? TSM is yeah, 600 billion. Like, ASML. No, I don't know, whatever it is. Yeah, I can't run until it gets over the 8. So what are we looking for here? Either a flush down to, what's this here? 114. So another test of that, or this needs news to get going. I'll be honest. If you want to see something like this, it's gonna take news. It's gonna take some type of deal, some type of partnership. But I don't like it. Just lost the ADMA. After popping back up over it. So there can be more downside. All right, we're getting ready to open. Let's see if we can get through 4480 on SPX. 4485 is ideal. Gets us above the ADMA. I switched to the hourly once we're in session. It's a good bounce from the golden pocket here. Apple, Tesla. I have no levels on Tesla right now. None. 900 psychological. What's the next one? 920. 940. Keep it on. Let's watch Amazon first. I hate when I do that. So FX Heads just tweeted right at market open. U.S. interest rates futures imply more than 5 hikes in 2022 after U.S. jobs data FedWatch. All right, so let's see what happens with Amazon. Hourly. Uh-oh. That's not pretty. Uh-oh. Buckle up, boys and girls. Amazon loses 30.50. We are going swimming. Holy smokes. Well, sellers are here. They made their presence known. So far, it's not really affecting SPX. I gotta delete some of these lines. It's driving me crazy. I'll delete that one. Delete this one. All right, so we're down at support. Right here at the demand zone. See what happens. Oh boy. All right, so Amazon's giving it up. And this is obviously all algos. It's hedge fund versus hedge fund. None of us retail guys are, dropping millions. Why is this fib way over here? So look what happened. So I did draw from the right place. Look at that. Give me 1 second. It's a nasty sneeze coming. Allergies, man. Where did I pull from? I pulled from this impulsive move here down to swing low. It wicked off the golden pocket to the dollar. That is how you draw fibs. Man, I mean, it opened up right there too. Wasn't playing around. Let's see. Let's move this over. All right. Wow, got that in 30.25. This is not it's not the opening everyone expected. SPX is slipping a little. Let me delete that. It was from yesterday's video. All right, so we can watch if anyone's scalping out there. Won't be me, but if anyone is scalping, a loss of the ADMA on the 15-minute time frame, like it looks like it's about to do here, would signal a put entry for me. Probably wait for another few minutes. Still a lot of time left in this candle. Did it, Mario? I don't. Man, it's so hard for me to remember earnings from that far back or reactions. Ooh, 10K from 700. Goodness. Man, I love those high reward, low risk trades. Absolutely love them. This thing looks like it's coming down. Still a lot of time in this shot clock. Let's see. Let's look at the chain. I'm not going to play XSP today. I'd much rather play SPX today. Can probably catch something crazy. I'm also not sold on this sell-off though either. I gotta see it on a larger time frame. It's giving it back though. All right, so where are we at? 44.60. Contracts are still pricey. So at this point, we're really thinking about psychological levels. The low of the pre-market was 44.40. Let's just call it 44.45. It looks like it's being saved here, so I said wait. So we're playing psychological. We're in between, obviously 4,400 and 4,500. I lean more towards a pop back up to 45 to test that. Then I do a move to 44. This is providing that Amazon holds 3,000. If Amazon can't hold 3,000, we have a big problem. So let's see. At what point in the candle do you probably closer to the close of the candle, because you get a crazy reaction like the last few seconds of these candles and the very beginning of the next one. But if it closes here under the 8 on the 15, like the 5's already lost. Oh no, it's not. Okay, that's interesting. I thought the 5 would be lost. Yeah, so that just gives me further confirmation to just wait on a scalp. So this 5 minute closes in 1 minute. We'll see what happens there. Let's wait 1 minute. Let's see. So you at least want to see it close at the low of the candle, 44.62. If you're looking for puts. And then you want to see that hold. You hop back over to the 15 and just gauge it. I don't go any lower than those two candles. Even when I'm scalping, I'll use the 5 minute. The 1, 2, and 3 minute give too many moves, too many fake outs. 15 is just about right for a day trade. Hourly is best for me though. To me. Tesla's not pretty either. This is chopped though. There's not, there isn't. Look at just look to the right. It's nothing crazy. 1%, 0.25%, 0.5%. Facebook's still getting beaten down, but not, it's not too far off from 235. Zuckerberg may open his wallet and just buy. Maybe he wants to buy at 200. Who knows? 215. There's going to be a test at 3,000 for Amazon, I think. There's no volume at all. That's right. It's very low. Is there a holiday Monday or something? What's going on? Oh, the 15 was saved in a great way. Look at that. That's why you wait, Mario. Like that candle just, what I literally just said that you get impulsive moves at the start of candles. Look at that. 12 points right off the bat. 30 seconds into the candle. Couldn't break down. Couldn't lose the 8. Same thing here with this tail. Couldn't lose the 8. All right, I'm going to look at... I'm going to look at... $457 is what? $445.70? That's crazy. A lot of open interest. I'm looking at the XSP now. It's interesting to me. 451. missed this move. This is a lot of volume. I'm gonna get in something. I'll play XSP. I'm gonna play 20. I'll play. Whoa. How do I do that? Oh yeah, there it goes. Let's see if I can get filled. 451 0 days on, what do you call this? XSP. Which is essentially 45.10. So let's see what happens. I got filled at 1 hour candle super says right at pre-market. Think it's a fake out, Andrew? Probably, yeah. Probably. I don't understand the 10-year yield thing either. Sorry. Don't understand it. All right, so cool. I'm in 451 XSP, or is it SS? I'm never going to get used to this. XSP. I'm in those. We'll see what happens. I think I'm up. I am up. How much am I up? 25%. I like it. I like it. They move very fast. Impulsive, just like SPX. Paid $1. What did I pay for these? $1.06. They're $1.30 now. Let's see. Let's try and find some resistance. We're above the 8 momentarily. It is acting as resistance, as it always does. It would need a lot more volume to get through. A lot. Which we don't have any of. So Andrew may be right. It may be super sus. But I'm in the trade. I'm above the 8. I think I'm above the 8. I am. I don't have a reason to get out on the 5 or 15. I guess 15 I do, huh? Oh no, it's Tesla. Tripping. Yeah, no reason. I'll probably hold it and take a nap. Let me see if I can. Let's see. What's Qualcomm doing? QCOM. It's an ugly candle. 27% on XSP. Push. It's a lot of volume. It's too much volume to think about exiting. Just look at the, let me get a different one. You know, that's a lot of volume last couple bars. So it's worth holding. And like you can't rule out 45.15 coming into play. 20 points away or whatever. If NQ gets above the 8 on the hourly, look what happened the last time it got over. Well, last week. Last time I touched this zone here and popped over the 8. Jumped 800 points over a couple days. Cool. Save that. It's liquid. It's not bad. I'll probably do another 10 minutes, guys, and call it a day. Well, what ticker on TD? It's XSP is the ticker. XSP. Don't double top. Damn it. Allergic to the ADMA. Tesla's reclaimed 900. Nvidia just hanging out at 240. This was bought back up, probably by BlackRock or JPM. Yeah, that bounced very hard. It's a 70-point bounce. Still hasn't gotten through the golden pocket or this resistance. Facebook's got to move. Shop up nicely today. I never took that put yesterday. Didn't want to force a trade. Yeah, this is pretty boring, guys. Nothing to look at. Another 60 seconds. I'll call this, and I'll call it. Yeah, look, there's no range here. There's a $2 range on $1.75 range on Apple. Tesla provided opportunity. It's up 20 plus since open, or range wise. Qualcomm. Yeah, nothing going on. You guys are the best. I pray you all have a fantastic weekend. Weather's supposed to be good. If you're in LA or anywhere in SoCal, doing a pop-up with the conversion van that my brother and I did down here on the west side, you can send me a message if you need details for that. It'll be down here by the beach. It's not the typical Friday that we usually get, but it happens. We'll look forward to Monday. Maybe midday we get something, but this looks like it wants to fade too. It's rejecting the ADMA. Bummer. I appreciate all you guys more than you know. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be in the Discord, in and out of there all day too. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Don't do anything crazy. I'll talk to you guys later.